Hi, I'm Bonita from Bonita's Kitchen. First off, I'd like to take a few minutes to thank each and every one of you that have supported Bonita's Kitchen for this last 4 years. We joined YouTube in September 2014, and it's because of you we have been putting out one video after another of traditional and non-traditional Newfoundland recipes. And over this last year, we tried something a little different. We added in a viewer's request to our lineup, and that have worked out amazing. Then in February 2017, we released our cookbook called Traditional Newfoundland Cooking and Recipes. I would also like to remind you that every Sunday we post a new video to our YouTube channel and our website www.bonitaskitchen.com. But also don't forget that you could view over 180 recipes and videos that we've posted to both of those links, and we've got to this date 6,000 subscribers. And what's so exciting for us, which is mind-blowing, we've had over 680,000 views of each one of our videos. My husband and I have worked countless hours to keep our channel fresh and new, and we've listened to each and every one of your suggestions and comments to make our videos and to improve them. And we are a small team of 2 people with the backup help, when needed, from our 2 sons. I'm excited to see what 2019 brings for Bonita's Kitchen. Please continue sending in your stories, suggestions, and all of your comments. We appreciate each and every one of them. And we will also promise to continue bringing you traditional and non-traditional Newfoundland and Labrador recipes.
So,
From our kitchen to yours,
you have a very Merry Christmas.
and a healthy and a Happy New Year. From Bonita's
From Bonita's Kitchen.
Cheers.